welcome to today's segment. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about making watermelon frisee, and all the things that you can actually do with watermelon, but let's start with watermelon frisee number one. Watermelon frisee can be used in a variety of different ways. You could make popsicles out of the watermelon juice, and frisee is just a nice way of saying that watermelon juice. So what we're going to be doing is we're going today to just be making some very simple, you can see the color on this, very beautiful color, watermelon juice. And what I like to use this for is when I have company over for mixed drinks, we mix this with a little bit of vodka and it makes a very nice drink. We can actually garnish with a little basil that I grow out back. So to do this, really simple. Go out and buy a seedless watermelon. Seedless watermelons, you'll notice, have a little bit of the white seeds in them, and those are okay to eat. Avoid the seeded watermelons, which are the watermelons that have the big black seeds in them. You won't want to use that. It's not going to be good for what we're trying to accomplish today. The good thing is that these watermelons can be found in your local grocery store. I got this one, as a matter of fact, for $3.99, and I've already worked with 3/4 of it and have chopped up some of my watermelon into cubes, place them into my blender. I'm going to blend for a minute, so it'll be loud for just a sec. And you blend until everything's moving along very nicely. And then pour through some sort of a strainer, preferably a small meshed hold strainer. As you can see, that's coming through very nicely into our bowl. And we take a little bit of a spoon and just move it around a little bit just to help it along to come through the strainer a little bit more quickly. When this is done, you don't have to do anything else to it. That's the beauty of it. You could store this in a mason jar. You can freeze it into some Ziploc freezer bags and save it for your company next weekend, which is what I'm going to do. Thanks.